finally, this is the final unboxing for today. Hello Super Lightnings, this is your champion, Tanner Parker, back again for a new video on the Champion Racer Collection channel. For the last video for today, we're going to be reviewing, as you saw in the thumbnail of course, Jim Reverick. As you may have saw by the background, I brought here 7 next gens. The number 5, the 73, the 68, the 4, the 93, the 123, and the 36. Let's get to unboxing this box, I guess. Oh my god, let me flip it upside up because I don't want to make the same mistake like I did with Flo. This time I did right. There we go. Flop it up. There we go. Alright, flop it back. Open it up. Much better now. And the almighty Jim Reverick, is in my hands. So now, let's get to unboxing Jim Reverick. I didn't knock the camera like last time. That's good. And now I have a playlist where you can see these unboxings I've done today and on the previous months. And here is Jim Reverick. Right out of its packaging. Let me see if I can review it down here. Hold on. I guess I can review down here, I guess. Hold on, I think I'm gonna review it on the stands again. And Jim Reverick is already on the stand, so let's start taking a look at his details. So in the front there's his headlights, grille, frown, bumper, and vents. On the side there is the Carbon Cyber logo with the sponsors being the normal Piston Cup, Combustor, Carbon Cyber, and Synergy sponsors with the number 67 on them. And he has the really nice metallic blue decal, which is probably the best thing I like about Jim Reverick. On the back there's the number 67 with the taillights, Carbon Cyber, and the rookie stripe. Same thing on the other side but flipped, and he has light ear tires. On the roof he has the number 67 in metallic, and the hood says Carbon Cyber with the nice metallic blue and silver stripes. And in the spoiler is basically just light blue green. We're basically done with the review now, so let's get to the comparison. So we're going to start with my second favorite, Rich Mixon. Yes, Rich Mixon is my second favorite. I really admire Rich Mixon a lot. So now my top 3 favorite next gens and Jonas Carvers. So now I have my top 3 favorite next gens, and I actually have my top 5 favorite next gens. Jim, Rich, Jonas, Nick, and who's on the show, Daniel Reverick. So let's start lining these next gens up by favorite to least favorite. So my favorite is Jim Reverick. Second favorite, Rich Mixon. Third favorite, Jonas Carver. Fourth favorite, Nick Schiff. Fifth favorite, Daniel Swervez. Sixth favorite, JD McPillar. Seventh favorite, HJ Hollis. Eighth favorite, Eric Breaker. Ninth favorite, Fast Fong. 10th favorite, Chase Racelot. And unfortunately in last place, but if I get Sheldon Shifter, he'll be my least favorite. But right now, the 11th place is Tim Trevors. And of course, we're not counting Cam Spinner because he's a rocket racer. And we're also not counting Jackson Storm because he's the main character of Cars 3. Of course, we're not counting him. So that was basically it for the review of Jim Reverick. Thank you so much for watching. Champion Racer Collection saying goodbye. Time to race now. Wait for me, broski.